My lunch is ready: mixed vegetables with little chicken, fried rice, and also little chicken tapa. Let's cook fried rice again because I have leftover rice. So later I have to make fried rice. First we have to put these garlics. As you can see, the garlics, abundance of garlics. Now we will put now this rice. Ibuhos na nga lang natin. And then we'll put some salt. This is already cooked, fried rice. Now next I have to cook is this one. I marinated 2 pieces of chicken breast. So I slice like this. I put soy sauce, vinegar, black pepper powder, salt, and some mince of garlic. And then what I put more, that's enough. So next I have to do is I have to cook this one. No need to fry, just put little oil here in pan, and then I have to put this one, this chicken here, like that. No need to saute garlic, onion, tomato. So I make my own version for this one. This is very tasty and very easy to cook. So this one I keep half here for my chicken tapa. Yan. Hati-hati. Kasi it's only 2 pieces of chicken breast. And then I have to put this onions, tomatoes. You have to slice like this, and green bell pepper, and also this G1 bulb of garlic. This is optional. If you have, you can put also. If no more, then no need. This kind of garlics I use. This is G1 garlic bulb. So we have to cook this one for 5 minutes. This is already cooked. Now next we have to put now this cubes, what you call this, onions. Cubes of onions. And then this garlics. And this is green bell pepper. We have to cook this one in half cook because I don't like overcook. Now we can put now also this tomatoes. Now we'll put also some salt and this soy sauce. Now let's check after 5 minutes. So this is already cooked because this must be only half cooked. Now I have to turn off now the flame. And also my little chicken tapa is already cooked. So we have to cover again. So my lunch is ready. And this is fried rice,